all good. I can get it right here. Totally fine. Different angle, but totally fine. It's okay. No worries. Don't worry about it. UP 7439, UP 5390, and UP 6556. We're right near Baker Street. We're parked on the side here. Actually, I might get out here. I'm gonna get out because this is such a bad area. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we got it. We got it. It's good angle here, though, I guess. Yeah, this area here there's a lot of people who are on drugs and stuff like that, so I'm inside the car with my cousin right now. She's driving. Sorry, yeah, there we go. I hear another train horn somewhere. Oh. Oh. I think there's another one down there too. I'm looking in the rearview mirror. I could, or maybe, I don't know. Can't tell. Hard to say. Looked like I saw another light down there. Yeah. She's probably, I don't know. She must, I don't know if she's homeless or what. But there's a lot of homeless people around here.
Those are cool. What are those?
I'm guessing, I don't know. Guessing still, maybe? Still. Oh, there's the end of it anyway. And UP 8696, SD 70 ACE. It's an ace, looks like. It's on the end.